everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. This particular wig review is on this really cute kinky straight unit. Believe it or not, this is actually a Upart wig that I wear up under a turban. I needed something to really make my turbans look really cute. I mean, I wear them without hair when I'm in the house, but if I'm going out the house, I always like to have the cute, you know, turban look with hair. And I've been looking high and low of the perfect units to wear up underneath there, and I think I have figured it out, you guys. Anything that is a U part goes perfect with any type of turban. And no, this is not about the turban, this is about the wig. The turban review will be up very soon, later on in the month. But this particular unit that I have on is coming from the LeFan company off of Amazon. That's right, this unit is off of Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own coins because I needed something really fast, honestly and truly. I needed something really fast, and I really want to wear this turban with hair, but I knew the type of hair that I wanted. I needed it to be like kinky straight. I needed it to give me that boho vibe because I'm getting very one with the elements and all those things. So I wanted something that was going to be really, really dope and kind of like capture the aura that I was going for. So this particular unit is 150 density. This is actually kinky straight, and I'm talking about it is true kinky straight. It was actually bigger than this, but I had did use my crimp iron to kind of like create the crimps that you see already, to kind of like make it subtle. Like I didn't want it too big, but I didn't want it like extra thin either, so I did like subtle crimps in there. This is 28 inches of kinky straight hair. Now, if you know kinky straight hair, you know it is very difficult to put heat to it. So there are some ways to manipulate it to where I could have kept the crimps in there and they actually would be a little bit more visible. But I actually like the way it came out to where it's, you know, it's cute and subtle, and it didn't do too much. And I love the way it feels. This is a U-part wig. So of course, when you get your U-part wig, this is literally how this one comes. I know I'm never going to leave hair out, but this is how it comes. So you will actually cut this part out. It actually has two clips right here to that you will actually clip the wig on. And like I said, you will cut out that little part to pull your own hair through. But this is how I wear mine. I'm just, you know, I got it on with no issue. I do have a silicone wig band on. And I just put my turban on and call it a day. This is probably like one of the quickest hairstyles that you could come up with real fast when you know you have to be at work and you're trying to still be cute. You can put a cap on with it. It's just something really quick and easy that I created. Well, I didn't create it, but it's something that I personally do when I know I'm going to be on the go and I got to be at the house with no issues. And I think it's really, really cute. You can do it with any wig, but we chose kinky straight. So if you guys want to know the details, not the details, but if you want to know how to purchase this unit, I will leave a link down below of how to purchase this beauty. And she's everything. Yes, she is, with it being a U-part wig, she is for all head types. I'm going to say that again. She is for all head types. So it doesn't matter if you have a small head, large head, medium size, it is perfect for you. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.